Okay, 1D. I forget who asked which question now because I reorganized the 10 questions in order here. In 1D, the question is when will be the least amount of people on the escalator? Um, Remember how we do that? We know the rate R is the rate they're entering, and E, now I called it E, is 0.7. I just made E for exiting, which could be entering, but R is going in, and I'm going to call E getting off. So we know that, remember, this is a big idea. How do I know when there's going to be max or mins? When the rate going in is the same as the rate going out. Because at that moment in time, it's neither going up or down. Okay, because if the rate going in is bigger than the rate going out, it's going up. If the rate going out is going the rate going in, it's going down. So what's important to realize is what I need to know is when these are the same. It's question one, it's graphing calculator. You got to graph. You got to graph that weird R question, and then you have to graph the line 0.7. And then when you do that, when you put those intersections in, you're going to get these numbers, 33 point something and 166.57. Um, you also have to check the endpoints, 0 and 300. Now, normally, crossing your fingers, normally those aren't too bad because they normally give you those. We know there was 20 in the question, and then we actually did the calculation of 300 and got 80 in the B question. So now I have to check them. Now remember the integral that we're going to do is we have to integrate R, and we have to integrate E. Now when we integrate R, that's the amount of people that we're adding, and we have to subtract the integral of E, to get the number subtracted, and then you of course have to keep track of the 20 that were on there. And then I rounded to the nearest person instead of having integers here. And so you can see 4. 4 people. They probably want the units at t equals 33.0133. Hopefully that answers your question for 1B.